Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Biology Boss MCQ, Part 22. I encourage you to learn, to like, to share, and to subscribe. Decrease in the number of mammalian red blood cells could reduce the ability of the blood to A. Destroy harmful bacteria. B. Clot. C. Transport oxygen. D. Distribute heat. And the answer is C. Transport oxygen. Which one of the following pairs of parts of a flower is essential for reproduction? A. Ovule and placenta. B. Corolla and stigma. C. Style and sepal. D. Carpel and stamen. And the answer is D. Carpel and stamen. Which one of the following types of fruits has an example that is not correctly given after it? A. Indehiscent fruits, e.g. papaw. B. False fruit, e.g. maize. C. Drupe, e.g. mango. D. Belly, e.g. orange. And the answer is B. False fruit, e.g. maize. The ability of an organism to maintain a stable and constant internal environment is called A. Disease control. B. Homeostasis. C. Osmoregulation. D. Appropriate response. And the answer is B. Homeostasis. The rate of glomerular filtration is highest in A. Man. B. Amphibians. C. Freshwater fish. D. Marine fish. And the answer is C. Freshwater fish. Which one of the following is not part of the ear structure? A. Oscar. B. Auricle. C. Ampulla. D. Tympanum. And the answer is B. Auricle. Bending of light rays occurs at the following junctions, except one. A. Lens and vitreous humor. B. Cornea and aqueous humor. C. Aqueous humor and the lens. D. Air and cornea. And the answer is D. Air and cornea. After having a disease such as mumps, a person is likely to have acquired A. Artificial immunity. B. Passive immunity. C. Natural immunity. D. Active immunity. And the answer is C. Natural immunity. Intestinal parasites are not digested by the host's enzyme because of A. Possession of attachment device. B. Secreting large quantities of mucus. C. Possession of thick cuticle. D. Having a high rate of reproduction. And the answer is C. Possession of thick cuticle. Which of the following do you associate with a carnivore? A. Incisors 3 to 3. Canine 1 out of 1. Premolar 4 out of 4. Molars 2 out of 3, equaling to 42. B. Incisors 2 out of 1. Canine 0 out of 0. Premolar 3 out of 2. Molars 3 out of 3, equaling to 28. C. Incisors 0 out of 1. Canine 0 out of 1. Premolars 3 out of 3. Molars 3 out of 3, giving us 32. D. None of these. And the answer is A. Incisors 3 out of 3, canine 1 out of 1, premolars 4 out of 4, molars 2 out of 3, giving us a total of 42. In which of the following does active transport not occur? A. Kidney tubules. B. Phloem sieve tubes. C. Xylem vessels. D. Ileum villi. And the answer is C. Xylem vessels. Removal of the thyroid gland in a young child may lead to A. Stunted growth and mental retardation. B. Failure to develop secondary sexual characteristics. C. Development of diabetes. D. Increased metabolic rate and restlessness. And the answer is A. Stunted growth and mental retardation. Which one of the following is a diploid cell? A. Pollen grain. B. Ovum. C. Spermatozoa. D. Alveolus. And the answer is D. Alveolus. Which one of the following is a modified root? A. Sweet potato tuber. B. Irish potato tuber. C. Rhizome. D. Corm. And the answer is A. Sweet potato tuber. Which of the following hormones is responsible for healing uterine wall in mammals? A. Oestrogen. B. Progesterone. D. C. Follicle-stimulating hormone. D. Luteinizing hormone. And the answer is A. Oestrogen. Which one of the following substance does not contain nitrogen? A. Glycerol. B. Amino acids. C. Amylase. D. Urea. And the answer is A. Glycerol. Which of the following processes needs energy? A. Osmosis. B. Diffusion. C. Plasmolysis. D. Active transport. And the answer is D. Active transport. A dry fruit with two sutures is A. A follicle. B. A capsule. C. An achene. D. A legume. And the answer is D. A legume. Which one of the following structures is not essential in the life of a tadpole? A. Lungs. B. Horny jaws. C. Gills. D. Tail. And the answer is A. Lungs. The following are functions of the liver except A. Storage of vitamins. B. Storage of proteins. C. Formation of bile. D. Manufacture of plasma proteins. And the answer is B. Storage of proteins. Dear friends, thank you very much for participating in Biology Boss MCQ Part 22. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.